So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now sitting at $104,000, 636. And the overall situation of Bitcoin is not any different than yesterday. The only thing that we are seeing in Bitcoin is that the candle sizes, they are becoming ridiculously small. This is your yesterday's candle. This is today's candle. This was the day before. We used to have bigger candles. Of course, these three, these two are small, pretty big, 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 big. So the kind of situation that is going on here, it tells us that in the market, you're dealing with two types of people right now. One are the overall Bitcoin maxis, those who think that Bitcoin is a safe haven. They have invested in it, and every day they open their wallet and they pray to their God that it keeps on holding on to this price. It's basically Michael Saylor and Club. But on the other end, you have people who are actually waiting for an entry, and they think that Bitcoin is overpriced and they're not buying. So it's a club of these type of two people. Of course, the third one is the club of people who are trying to short it, who are trying to bring it down by shorting it. Shorting is basically selling with leverage, if you don't know it already. These people, they have already created a good amount of pressure. I mean, last short that I took with my community was around 108,600. This was the area. It was exactly this candle, and the stop loss that I had used was around $109,000. So it was a slightly miss, but it was a scalp trade, and of course after that it went and hit the target that I had for it. But there are people who are not scalping, who have open positions at 110, 108 and different areas and they keep that trade running, and I think they are aiming for lower targets, so they will keep that one open. So now, as the candles are so small, it just shows that no one is winning, not the buyers, not the sellers. Sorry. And it's an overall disaster going on. Disaster in a sense that the market is extremely boring when we look at Bitcoin. Not the rest of the coins. I mean, we talk about Aerodome, I covered that coin yesterday. We saw some good action in it. There are multiple other coins that are showing some action, but when we talk about Bitcoin, it's a horrible situation. Our support and resistance hasn't changed. Our support is still 102,500. As long as that continues to hold, we expect Bitcoin to go towards 110. But beyond 110, we can only start talking about 120. If it captures 110, closes 2 daily candles above it, then I can say, okay, now it has started the journey towards 120. If it is not able to close 2 daily candles above 110, this $7,500 range, it will continue to play the ping pong and nothing else would change. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. There is nothing else to add. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.